Climate change calamity. Melting ice caps throwing the North Pole off kilter. Tom Fish of Express UK reports, climate change is increasingly unsettling Earth's core and it could have dire consequences for humanity. This is what a consortium of scientists has announced. Because of the changing of the weight of the ice on the tectonic plates, Earth is locked into a continental feedback loop, meaning a change to one part of the planet affects and has drastic implications for another area of the planet. The Earth's magnetic field, as it protects our fragile ozone layer, plays a part in this finely balanced and interlocking system. However, this magnetic field is shifting due to an unsettled Earth core, which could herald a new ice age, they say. It's now undisputed scientific fact that climate change is causing large tracts of the polar ice shelf to melt, not only in the Arctic but also in the Antarctic. And this mass melting ice could have a far deeper and deadlier impact than scientists thought it would. The Greenland landmass, for example, lost 267 gigatons of ice in 2017. A single gigaton is 1 kilometer cubed iceberg, which can hold an incredible amount of water. Scientists around the world are now recording unexpected shifts in the Earth's magnetic North Pole. It's wandering from Canada towards Siberia at over 30 miles every year. And this magnetic North Pole migration is increasingly believed to be a symptom of whole-scale changes within the Earth's core. Something is happening under Canada even, and a huge mass of magma is shifting. As ice rapidly recedes, it causes ocean currents to change course, and water salinity, its salt content, will be reduced. These retreating ice caps mean less weight is being extorted on the underlying land masses, which means that the pressure applied to the veins of magma pulsing underneath those land masses below the Earth's crust is less, it's diminished, it's decreased. And this swirling mass of molten iron, magma in Earth's core, is shifting. Magma flows can shift, and the consistency of the magma in certain areas can change. Centrifugal force have the power to pull this blob of magma towards the equator, making the equator appear to shift from the perspective of the continents. Rice University professor Gordon says that may have triggered what we call the Ice Age, a rise of 1.8 meters, that's almost 2 meters, almost 6 feet, by 2010, as some scientists forecast in worst-case scenarios would put coastal cities underwater. This is what research shows. 6 feet. It would also significantly reduce the weight of the ice sitting on Antarctica, exacerbating the problem of the magma beneath. Many believe that because of the ice sitting on the weight of the land, the weight of ice on the land being reduced, that we have a lot more earthquakes and even volcanic eruptions. These erratic migrations of Earth's magnetic pole have prompted calls for urgent update to models assisting with GPS navigation. The scheduled fix was supposed to happen today, January 15th, but the US government shutdown has forced an unwelcome delay. Who knows when that will be? If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. and we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.